calling Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Frederick County in north central Maryland until 5 o'clock p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Wolfsville, or 6 miles southwest of Thurmont, and was moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Frederick, Harry Grove Stadium, Bellinger Creek. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. This storm is producing frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough.